Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best bar pans is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any baker's arsenal, transforming simple batters into perfectly portioned delights. Whether you're crafting decadent brownies, moist cornbread, or even savory appetizers, the right bar pan can elevate your baking game, ensuring even cooking, easy cleanup, and consistently beautiful results that will impress your friends and family. Join me as we delve into what makes a bar pan truly stand out and discover the top contenders that deserve a spot in your kitchen. Number 5. NutriChef 3-Piece Nonstick Baking Pans. Introducing a versatile 3-piece nonstick cookware set, perfect for all your baking needs. It includes small, medium, and large pans, offering flexibility and style for every recipe. Experience superior nonstick performance with our PTFE PFOA PFOS-free coating. Enjoy easy food release, quick cleanup, and healthier cooking thanks to the heat-resistant exterior. Crafted from durable carbon steel with a warp-resistant nonstick coating, these pans are designed for years of reliable baking, roasting, and toasting. They are safe for oven, refrigerator, and freezer use. These cookie sheets offer excellent food release and simple cleanup, being both dishwasher safe and stain resistant. Their stackable design also saves valuable kitchen space. Featuring bold red silicone handles, these commercial-grade pans provide a confident and comfortable grip. They are oven-safe up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit for secure handling. What we like? This set offers 3 essential sizes for all your baking needs. Its superior nonstick surface ensures food releases effortlessly and cleanup is a breeze. If you're looking for a versatile and stylish bakeware set that makes everyday baking and cleaning simple, this is the one for you. What people say? The nonstick surface works perfectly every time, making baking and cleanup so easy. They're durable, reliable, and hold up beautifully with regular use. They truly are non-stick and are very easy to clean. Love the side rubber handle preventing hand burns from the oven, easy to put in and remove from the oven. Number 4. Ultra Cuisine Stainless Steel Cooling Rack Set. Experience superior durability with our heavy-duty stainless steel racks. Designed for professional-grade performance, they ensure even cooking and cooling every time. Cleanup is a breeze. These racks are 100% stainless steel and completely dishwasher safe, so you don't have to worry about rust or flaking. Unlock endless culinary possibilities. They are oven safe up to 575 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for roasting, baking, grilling, and more. Designed to perfectly complement your standard half-sheet pans, these racks provide the ideal fit for all your baking needs. Proudly designed in the USA, each set includes a complimentary recipe ebook packed with over 100 delicious recipes to inspire your next creation. The sturdy wire grid and 1-inch height promote greater airflow, ensuring your food cooks and cools evenly for perfect results every time. What we like? Constructed from heavy-duty stainless steel, these racks provide exceptional durability and even airflow for perfect roasting and cooling. They are completely dishwasher safe, making cleanup incredibly easy. If you prioritize robust construction, easy maintenance, and professional-level results for roasting and cooling, these racks are an excellent choice. What people say? Sturdy, withstands high heat, easy to clean. Perfect fit for half-sheet pan. These racks are strong and sturdy, they don't warp or rust, and they can be used for many different purposes. The rack is very sturdy and does not warp when heated as many other racks do. It is raised high enough above the baking sheet that foods do not lie in a pool of grease. Number 3. Wilton Gold Nonstick Mini Loaf Pan. Introducing the Wilton Gold Mini Loaf Pan, your new go-to for creating delicious mini cakes, brownies, and breads. Enjoy consistent results with its superior heat distribution. Thanks to its premium nonstick coating, releasing your baked goods is a breeze. Cleanup is just as simple, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Crafted from heavy-duty aluminum, this pan is designed to resist warping and maintain its shape. You can rely on it for perfectly formed mini loaves, bake after bake. This baking pan is oven-safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and even dishwasher safe for your convenience. The extended handles make it easy to maneuver in and out of the oven. Made without PFAS, you can bake with peace of mind. It ensures even heat distribution for perfectly baked treats and offers hassle-free cleaning. Since 1929, Wilton has been dedicated to making baking sweeter. Trust in our innovative products and expertise to help you create memorable moments. What we like. This pan is specifically designed for creating perfect mini loaves, cakes, and brownies. Its reliable non-stick coating guarantees easy release and hassle-free cleaning. If you love baking small treats, portioned desserts, or individual-sized baked goods, this mini loaf pan is ideal for consistent and beautiful results. What people say. Cleanup of pan was so easy, a little dish detergent and hot water and it was clean. Oh, best of all, food didn't stick to pan. Loaves are a generous size for one person. None of the loaves stuck to the pan at all, they just fell right out onto the cooling rack, each one picture perfect. This pan is really easy way to make individual portions for the family or to make and freeze to take out for easy meal prep. Great quality non-stick versatile baking pan. Number 2. Caraway Non-Stick Ceramic Baking Sheet, Perracotta. Exciting news. Our beautifully designed and consciously crafted baking sheets are now available on Amazon. It's time to elevate your baking and enhance your kitchen style. Experience a healthier and simpler baking journey. Our slick non-stick surface requires less preparation and minimal scrubbing for a spotless clean. Prioritize your well-being with our non-toxic coating. These sheets are free from harmful chemicals, ensuring safety for your family and the planet. Built to withstand high oven temperatures, these sheets are a long-lasting addition to your kitchen. Simply hand wash and store them to maintain their perfect condition. Whether you're baking a large batch or a small treat, our versatile sheets are ideal. They are the perfect tool for any cooking or baking enthusiast. What we like. Featuring a naturally slick ceramic coating, this baking sheet offers a healthier and easier baking experience with less prep and minimal scrubbing. It's completely free from toxic materials like PTFE and PFOA. If you're seeking a non-toxic, beautifully designed baking sheet that makes cleanup effortless and promotes healthy cooking, this is a fantastic option. What people say. They are super easy to clean. They hold heat really well and the bonus is that they are super cute. No issues with rust on these and they are very sturdy and thick, the quality is great. Also love that the non-stick material works and it's non-toxic. These are beautiful and high-quality pans. I love cooking guilt-free with these non-stick non-toxic pans. They are easy to clean and truly are non-stick. The pan heats evenly and truly lives up to its non-stick claim. Eggs, vegetables, and proteins release easily with little to no oil. Cleanup is quick and simple, which makes it great for everyday cooking. I also appreciate that it's made without traditional non-stick chemicals, which gives me more peace of mind when cooking. The pan feels sturdy and well-made, and the design is sleek without affecting performance. Number 1. Ultra Cuisine 9 by 13-inch non-stick baking pan. Achieve perfectly even baked cakes and brownies with our innovative diamond-textured surface. This pan ensures your creations rise beautifully without caving, giving you superior results every time. Say goodbye to stuck-on cakes. Our advanced non-stick coating allows your baked goods to slide right out of the pan effortlessly. No more scraping or damaging your perfect desserts. Cleaning up is a breeze thanks to the high-quality, scratch-resistant coating. Simply hand wash this pan without any need for scrubbing or scouring. It stays looking great for years. Crafted from premium, warp-resistant carbon steel, this pan is built to last. It features a food-safe coating that won't rust or flake, ensuring your baking is always safe and enjoyable. Designed for professional results and lifetime use, this baking pan empowers you to bake with confidence. Plus, receive a complimentary recipe ebook to inspire your next masterpiece. Proudly designed in Colorado, USA, this pan combines quality craftsmanship with user-friendly features. Enjoy a superior baking experience designed for durability and ease. What we like. This pan is engineered for perfect, evenly baked cakes and brownies every time, thanks to its unique diamond-textured surface. The food-safe, PFOA-free coating ensures your baked goods slide right out without sticking. If you're aiming for consistently flawless cakes and brownies with minimal fuss and easy cleanup, this 9x13 pan is a must-have. What people say. It has some weight to it, so it is made with grade A material and I love how deep it is. It cleans well and the design is awesome. Even heating and super easy cleanup. If you are looking to replace your older pans, don't hesitate buying this one. Non-sticky. Easy to clean. Very sturdy pan. These pans have not rusted unlike other pans I previously purchased. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.